Aeronauts, the pioneers of balloon flight. Imagine soaring through the skies in a hot air balloon, defying gravity and exploring the world from above. The brave souls who first ventured into the air were known by a special term, aeronauts. Word type, noun. Meaning, an aeronaut is a person who operates or travels in an airship or balloon. This term specifically refers to pilots or passengers of lighter than aircraft, distinguishing them from aviators who fly heavier than air vehicles like airplanes. Word history. The term aeronaut comes from the Greek words air, meaning air, and nautis, meaning sailor. It literally translates to air sailor, perfectly capturing the essence of these early sky explorers. The word first appeared in the late 18th century, coinciding with the advent of hot air and gas balloon flights. Aeronauts played a crucial role in the development of aviation. In the late 18th and throughout the 19th century, these intrepid individuals pushed the boundaries of human flight, conducting experiments and gathering data that would later contribute to the invention of powered aircraft. Synonyms. While aeronaut is a specific term, related words include balloonist, airship pilot, and dirigible operator. In a broader context, aviator and pilot are sometimes used, though these terms generally refer to operators of heavier than aircraft. Antonyms. There are no direct antonyms for aeronaut, but we could consider terms like landlubber or earthbound as conceptual opposites, referring to those who stay on the ground. Examples used in sentences. The aeronaut carefully adjusted the balloon's burners to maintain altitude during the long-distance flight. Historical records show that many early aeronauts were scientists who used their flights to study atmospheric conditions. As an experienced aeronaut, she knew how to navigate using wind currents and weather patterns. The museum exhibition featured artifacts and logbooks from famous 19th century aeronauts, showcasing their contributions to the field of aviation. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using aeronaut interchangeably with pilot or aviator. While all of these terms refer to individuals who fly, aeronaut specifically denotes those who operate lighter than aircraft. Another error is mispronouncing the word. Remember, it's pronounced air. Understanding specialized vocabulary like aeronaut can significantly enhance your performance in the IELTS exam, particularly in reading and writing tasks. It demonstrates a nuanced grasp of language and can help you express complex ideas with precision. Remember, in the context of aviation history or discussions about different types of air travel, aeronaut is the perfect word to showcase your advanced vocabulary skills.